Hey, hello everyone. I accidentally bought a 143 model because I thought it was a 164 Hot Wheels Premium. I discovered it on time, but I thought, well, let's give it a chance and see how this 143 model is looking. A Porsche 911 GT3 RS. And as we can see, it's an official licensed product. Nice artwork on the card, and it comes in a very handy protection case. And here in the back we see the rest of the set. I'm also interested in this Mercedes-Benz. Maybe I'm going to buy that one too. Ford Mustang is also looking very cool, and we got a orange Corvette. Hup, Holland Hup. Oh yeah, we got a lot of text here. Freeze the frame if you want to read it, and we got a barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. So let's take it out of the package and see if it's any good. Yeah, I really like this package. They should also do that with the 164 scale. In that way, you don't have to destroy the card. There we go. So the card comes out clean. I'm also a card collector, so for me that is very important. And then we can take out the car. And afterwards you can put it back in the package for protection or storage. Okay, so here we got the 143 model. Has it good rolling wheels? Absolutely. And we got a brake disc and brake claw. I like that. But it's also something you expect from a 143 model. Lanced front lights. Nice spoiler in the back. We got windscreen wipers. No heating in the back window. Now I'm not sure if the real one has it, but I think it does. Then we go to the back. We had a nice exhaust here. These lights are also lanced, if I'm seeing it right. Then, yeah, this is a metal base. And it says Porsche 911. Yeah, 2023 Mattel, made in China. Tires in the back are a little bit wider than the ones in the front. I like that. And let's have a look at the interior. I hope you can see it. There we go. Yeah. Oh, just a black interior, but it looks okay. I was expecting some colors, but as you can see, the interior is red. Yeah, I'm not that enthusiastic. It's just a normal 143 model. There are much better 143 models on the market, but for a price of 20 euro, yes, I bought it for 20 euro, you can't complain. Do I have other 143 models in the collection? Yes, let's have a look. I think it's behind this Fast and Furious model. Are the lights still working? Let's see. Yes. Did a review about this, by the way. Comes with a Paul Walker figure. Very cool. Definitely a must have. Is it here? Yes, it's from Kyoso. And it's a Lamborghini. And I hope it's still in the package. I have no idea. Oh yeah, it is. So it comes in a nice display case. Yeah. And this is a very good looking Lamborghini Diablo GTR S in white. So much details on this one. And here we do have a colored interior. I'll show you. Well, I think it's a little bit difficult to see. But if you look here on top, yeah, you can see it has colored details inside. And that's what I'm expecting from a 143 model, but I know it's not always the case. Lanced rear lights, nice fuel cap, very good details. Also brake disc, brake claw, rubber tires. Yeah, shall I take it off the base? Yeah, why not? Just a moment, and then I'm getting my screwdriver. So here it is. Let's take it off the base. That's the least I can do. I did a review about this a long time ago. Okay, one. There we go. Ooh, only downside at this one. Plastic base. But we got good rolling wheels. And if I have to choose between the one from Kyoso and Hot Wheels, I definitely go for the Kyoso. But I think you're also paying a lot more for this model. More details means more money. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this Hot Wheels Premium in 143. And if you would like to see a review about the Mercedes, let me know. I will buy it and I will do a review. Thanks for watching. Bye.